Hi, this is Julius from websitedino.com. Today we're learning step 3 in creating your very own website, which is installing a theme. Alright, once you're on Dashboard, click Appearance and Themes. Okay, once you're at Themes, you should be able to see that you have 3 pre-installed themes, which is 2014, 2013, and 2012. Why I have the additional themes is because I installed it previously. Alright, so and also do take note that you can only activate one theme at a time. Alright, which means you can only have one theme for your website. Okay, I shall teach you how to add a new theme. Alright, scroll down until you see the plus button and click on it, add new theme. Okay, once you reach this page, you should be able to see the various themes, alright, that WordPress is offering. Okay, today we're going to install the theme named Vantage. Okay, so if you don't see it on this page, you can also search for it here. Type Vantage. Okay, wait for it to load, and yes, it should come out like this. All you need to do next is click on Install. Alright, once it's successful, you can click Activate. Once it's activated, your website should take on the theme of Vantage or whatever theme you use in the future. But for this tutorial, we'll be learning using this theme. Alright, let's check. Go to your website, and you should see that your website has changed to the theme you select. Okay, alright, I'll show you the great thing about this Vantage theme. Alright, the great thing about this Vantage theme is that it is very responsive. Let me show you what responsive is. Let me just make this smaller. Alright, so if you minimize your window, you can see that your picture becomes smaller together with the window, and so are your contents without messing up. Alright, so this is what responsive theme is. Okay, alright, let me show you something else about this theme. This theme is actually very versatile, like how it advertises. It has a page builder, which I'll show you how to use later, which is to basically build up your home page with a very easy fashion, and meta slider, which is what you see before you, which is this slider, which is very beautiful, and also WooCommerce, which allows you to sell items on your website. Okay, I'll go through with you for page builder and meta slider in this tutorial. Alright, okay, let me teach you a bit more about the theme. Right, let's go back to, you can go back to your dashboard. Right, I have my dashboard here. Okay, once you're back at your dashboard, go to Appearance and Theme Settings. I shall go through with you one by one and explain what all those options and tabs are about. Okay, this is where you play around with different settings of your themes. Alright, first is the logo image. What logo image is actually this one, the one which says Vantage. You can change this according to your company logo, which we'll see how later on. And the header text is actually this one, which you can put your tagline or your contact number and so on. Okay, for the layout, what responsive is we have gone through. So if you disable this, you would see that your window is no longer responsive, which means if you minimize it, your picture will not become small together with your window. And also if you use this website on an iPhone or iPad or Samsung tablet, it will not look as nice. So you would want this to be checked. Alright, layout bound. Alright, the normal option is full width, but I've changed it to box to show you. Alright, so this is a comparison. The full width one is like this, and the box one is like this. There's a empty space beside here. Alright, and masthead layout, I've changed it to logo in menu. Alright, so without logo in menu, the logo would be up here, and with logo in menu, the logo would be in the masthead. This bar here is called the masthead. Alright, and you can choose to disable or put an empty menu on the masthead, which means that this menu here will disappear. Alright, and footer layout you are unable to change in this basic version of Vantage. Right, for the home page, there's the slider. Okay, we'll go through more of this. The slider is basically this thing over here. We'll go through this by installing the meta slider plugin later on. And stretch is actually, it goes to say that your slider is a full width of the whole screen. Okay, navigation. Alright, sticky menu, when you enable it, look at here. Look at the masthead bar over here. If you scroll down, the masthead bar actually sticks up to the top and goes down together with you as you scroll down. But if you disable it, the masthead will remain on top, and when you scroll down, this one, here. When you scroll down, the masthead will not go down together as you scroll down. Alright, that's what it means by sticky. And the search menu and scroll to top button are these. Search menu and scroll to top button is this one, respectively. Allows you to go to the top. Alright, and this function doesn't really work in Vantage for some reasons. Block, we shall not cover this here. Social, only available for Vantage Premium, which you have to pay a small amount for. And the general allows you to put a text, your copyright information in your website, like I've put here. Alright, it will go underneath here, like so. Okay, so this is all about the theme. Thank you.